Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Vice President Martin Reiser, Honorable Deputy Prime Minister Ishaq Dar, Honorable Federal Ministers, Excellencies, Ambassadors, government officials, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. Today is a great day in Pakistan's history in terms of our very strong relation with the World Bank, which has supported Pakistan over a period of time, and very important projects were built in Pakistan, ranging from hydropower generation, water sector, and of course, reforming various important organizations like Federal Board of Revenue, and of course, in many other projects, which if I start mentioning them, I think the time for this event will pass, but that list will not finish. So this new program known as Country Partnership Framework Program, which spans over 10 years with a ticket item of $20 billion, is a vision in transforming Pakistan's economy, building climate resilient projects, alleviating poverty, unemployment, promoting digitalization all over the country, promoting agriculture, and of course, IT-led initiatives. Vice President, we are very grateful to you personally and your team. Ajay Banga, the President of World Bank, and of course, World Bank team in Pakistan. And on behalf of my colleagues, Deputy Prime Minister Ishaq Dar, Ahad Cheema, Minister for Economic Affairs Division, Professor Chaudhry Ehsan Iqbal, Minister for Planning, and Kazim Niaz, our Secretary Economic Affairs Division, along with other colleagues who have been very, very helpful in coming out with this wonderful, innovative program. Vice President, your presence here is a message to the people of Pakistan that the World Bank has faith in Pakistan's system, which is now attaining vibrancy, which has become very functional and operational, undertaking deep-rooted structural changes which were long overdue. It should have been done decades ago, which is being done today. But I believe in the fact that it is never too late. For example, our program of digitizing Federal Board of Revenue, 100% is rapidly on its track. As I speak, a pilot project which is faceless interaction between importers and customs officials at Karachi port is operational, which will be replicated in all other ports, airports, dry ports, and this will cut this collusion between importers and custom officials, resulting in enhancing our recoveries to the tune of trillions of rupees in coming months and years, not only in custom duties, in inland revenues, in sales tax, and of course, reducing corruption immensely. And these funds would then be made available for very important socio-economic projects, alleviating poverty, promoting education. So therefore, this vision is very timely intervention to address all these issues which is facing Pakistan as a humongous challenge. Vice President, I would like to welcome you in your native language for two reasons. A, to recognize and appreciate your commitment, unwavering commitment to promote Pakistan's cause. And two, this will give me opportunity to refresh my German, which I learned 50 years ago. So allow me to say a few sentences in your honor. Herr Martin Reiser, vielen Dank für Ihren Besuch nach Pakistan. Und Sie sind herzlich willkommen nach Pakistan. Vielen Dank für Ihre Hilfen. Und Herr Vice President, Ihre Bemühungen zur Stärkung der Partnerschaft zwischen Pakistan und die Weltbank. Ich möchte Ihnen versichern, dass wir alles zusammen tun werden, um die CPF zu realisieren und die vereinbarten Entwicklungsziele zu erreichen. Das ist der wichtige Punkt. Vielen Dank für Besuch in Pakistan. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. This has been Akhil Kareem, أنا أكلم معك إن شاء الله بعد شوية. So it's been wonderful, and I would like to encourage my wonderful team, politicians, bureaucrats, experts, professionals, our general officers. We are working like a team, a united team, to achieve our tall goals, difficult as it is, but it is not impossible. That is a lesson I've learned throughout my life, both my business and political career. Wherever there's a will, there's a way. Let's stand united and serve the cause of Pakistan. آج یہ جو پروگرام جس کا آج ہم نے افتتاح کیا ہے، یہ ورلڈ بینک کے ساتھ مل کر ہماری پاکستانی جو ڈریم ٹیم ہے، انہوں نے مل کر محنت کی ہے، اور یہ کنٹری پروگرام جو 10 سال کے اوپر محیط ہے، $20 ارب کی سرمایہ کاری ہوگی تعلیم کے میدان میں، صحت کے شعبے میں، اور جو کلائمیٹ چینج کے نتیجے میں جو آفت 2022 میں پاکستان میں آئی تھی، جس نے بہت تباہی مچائی تھی، وہ بھی اس پروگرام کا حصہ ہے. اور تعلیمی جو ہمارے جو اہداف ہیں اس کو پورا کرنے کے لیے یہ پروگرام یہ اس کے لیے مختص ہے. اور اس کے ساتھ ساتھ پبلک پرائیویٹ پارٹنرشپ وہ بھی اس کا حصہ ہے. $20 ارب کے ساتھ جو پرائیویٹ جو انویسٹمنٹس ہیں اس کو بھی ہم انشاءاللہ انکریج کریں گے. اور مجھے یقین ہے کہ جس محنت اور عرق ریزی کے ساتھ یہ پروگرام تشکیل پایا ہے، اسی محنت اور اسی جذبے کے ساتھ اس کے اوپر ہم عمل پیرا ہوں گے تو پاکستان یقیناً بلندیوں کو چھوئے گا اور پاکستان عظیم بنے گا. انشاءاللہ ہم مل کر پاکستان کو عظیم بنائیں گے. پاکستان پائندہ باد. بوٹشافٹر فیلن ڈانک.
سبسکرائب کریں اور بیل دبائیں تاکہ کوئی خبر رہ نہ جائے.